Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus G513RC. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus G513RC won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from various factors such as a faulty power supply, dead battery, or motherboard failure. If left unattended, it could lead to more significant damage, ultimately making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools including a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that's the issue. First, let's open the device safely. Begin by placing the laptop upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove all screws from the back panel. Remember to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam and carefully pry the back panel off. Be cautious as there are clips that may snap if forced. Now that we have access to the internals, let's identify the faulty component. Check the battery first. If it's swollen or discolored, it likely needs replacing. If you're unsure, look for any signs of damage on the motherboard or connectors. To extract the battery, disconnect the cables carefully by pulling them straight out, avoiding any twisting. Again, be gentle to prevent damaging the surrounding components. If you are replacing the battery, ensure you have the correct model. When inserting the new battery, connect the cables firmly, ensuring a secure fit. Replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Now, reinsert all screws, making sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Once everything is secured, turn the laptop over and press the power button to see if it starts up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure your laptop is kept in a cool, dry place. Regularly check for any software updates, and avoid overcharging the battery. If you notice unusual behavior, address it promptly to avoid long-term issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.